In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Miro MCP server in Claude Code and connect it to a Miro board for diagram export and code generation. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without confusion. By the end of this setup, Claude Code will be able to communicate with Miro through the MCP server, and you'll be ready to send output directly to a board using its URL. To begin, open your terminal and launch Claude Code if you haven't already. The first thing you need to do is add the Miro MCP server using the correct command. In Claude Code, enter the command to add an MCP server with HTTP transport using Miro as the server name and the Miro MCP URL as the endpoint. This tells Claude Code where to connect and which remote MCP service it should use. Make sure you type the command carefully so the transport and URL are recognized properly. Once you run that command, the next part of the setup is authentication. A Miro OAuth pop-up should open in Chrome. This is the secure sign-in step that allows Claude Code to access Miro on your behalf. In the browser window, review the permissions being requested, then approve access to continue. If you're already signed into Miro, this may happen quickly. If not, you may need to complete your sign-in first before granting access. After approval, the connection should be established and ready to use. Now that authentication is complete, go to Chrome and open the Miro board you want to work with. This should be the specific board where you want Claude Code to generate content or export diagrams. Click into the browser address bar and copy the full URL of that board. It's important to copy the correct board link so Claude Code sends output to the right destination. Next, return to Claude Code and paste that board URL into your prompt or workflow wherever you want Claude to use it. With that URL provided, Claude Code can target the board directly. From there, you can ask it to generate code, create structured output, or export diagrams into Miro based on your task. As a final tip, if something doesn't work right away, double check that the MCP server was added successfully, that browser authentication was fully approved, and that you copied the exact board URL from the correct tab. Once those pieces are in place, the workflow is usually very smooth, and you'll be ready to use Claude Code with Miro efficiently.